Hi everyone, today we are opening the Marnie Premium Tournament Collection, or some people call it the Marnie Milk Box. So this one is a small pack that contains a lot of things. We are going to open it up and see if you should get one for yourself. So first things first. Let's take everything out. So you're gonna get some dice, the Marnie Jumbo Coin, very cool. Continuing, you're gonna get in each one of these, you're gonna get the Marnie Promo. So this one is Sword and Shield 121. It's very cool. Let's open it up. And some counters, the sleeves, they look really good, with Morpeko and Marnie. Awesome sleeves. So let's open the promo one, and there are actually a couple more inside. So we just open the wrapping. We got the code card for the collection box you can grab. That's the Marnie one. It's a bit tough to focus. Yeah. So it's the Marnie promo card, and you got the Sword and Shield 120. Couple more Marnie. This one with the swirl, you can see, pretty cool. So you get 3 copies of these and the big one. So let's use the sleeves. I use Ultra Pro. They're great. Pretty cheap and great. So let's see if it can focus. Probably not. Here you go. So that's the promo card, just like the sleeves. Great promos, and you get 3 of these. So that's the second one, and the third one with the swirl. Very cool. So lots of Marnies, and that's the full art version promo card for Marnie. Great looking card. That's the back. So you're gonna get this in every box. Now continue on, you're gonna get the kind of card sleeves, not card sleeves, the deck box, sorry, and a bunch of packs inside. So this collection is small, but it contains a lot. So with this you can just put your deck inside, and it's also pretty good as a collectible. It's looking great. So what packs you're gonna get inside the Marnie Premium Collection? You're gonna get Darkness Ablaze, Vivid Voltage, 3 Chilling Rain, and 2 Battle Styles. So total of 7 booster packs, promos, and a bunch of other stuff. That's great. So yeah, we got everything ready. We can start. So that's the Darkness Ablaze. See how many hits we can get from this collection. So that's an upside down. That's the code. Let's see what we got. Wishy-washy reverse holo and nothing. That's one. Continuing to Vivid Voltage. That's the code card. See, we got Alistair Reverse Holo and Waylord holographic. That's the Waylord. Continuing, let's start with the Battle Styles. 2 packs. That's the code. Okay, so we got holographic Ember, So far 2 holographics, nothing unique. That's the second battle style pack. Cool. Let's see. We got the full art Flapple V, great pull. Not the most amazing Pokemon, but the full art, still full art. So let's take a closer look. Great card, nice centering. So that's cool. 3 hits so far. Oh, flip the Alistair. 3 more Chilling Rain packs. Code. So we didn't get anything from this pack. Some of them are pretty hard to get, to open, I mean, but still. So we got the Galarian Surfetch Reverse Holo and the Ice Rider Calyrex V. Nice card. Let's put it in sleeve. Yeah. Awesome. So far 4 hits. Last pack. Let's see. If we can put. That's the last code card. So that's the Buffini Reverse Holo and nothing. But still, let's take a look at everything we got in this collection. Bunch of reverse holos. Out of 7 packs we got 4 hits, so the pull rates are really good of the Marnie Premium Collection Tournament. So Calyrex and Flapple V, full art. We got the Marnie sleeves, we got the deck box of Marnie, dice counter, jumbo coin, and we got the promos. So is it worth it? I think definitely. You're gonna get so much of this collection. Great for everyone. Awesome hits. You can get this product in the links below if you like, or the sleeves. Share, like, comment and subscribe. Have a great day. Till next time.